Arkansas Manufacturing Solutions is proud to bring you a unique offer combining value stream mapping with emerging tech solutions such as the Internet of Things. Value stream mapping helps manufacturers identify how end-to-end operations work, track actual performance related to those operations, and also help find ways to make your processes even more efficient within those operations. Arkansas Manufacturing Solutions would like to give your business teams an organization-wide perspective on lean project management through the following 6 value stream mapping steps. First, identifying the processes related to your operations. 2, indicating the flows of those processes. 3, gathering critical information from those processes. 4, adding data and timeline to the processes. 5, identifying lean waste. And 6, giving you an official, complete value stream map of all the different processes and operations within your organization. Now, to do this the most effectively, Arkansas Manufacturing Solutions is proud to partner with Winget, a software company in the emerging tech space, to offer you a free 3-month trial of their Internet of Things software platform to help you capture, manage, and automate the manual steps that are traditionally associated with the value stream mapping process. With this combined proposed solution, your Internet of Things software platform would both capture key data included in the value stream mapping process while automating and ensuring compliance with the processes most important and related to the value stream mapping process. The goals of this unique solution would be to identify waste, identify bottlenecks, make processes more efficient, improve cross-functional collaboration, and lastly, to improve end product quality. If you're interested in taking advantage of this unique offer, please contact the Arkansas Manufacturing Solutions to receive a free trial license of Internet of Things. In addition to this, the Arkansas Manufacturing Solutions team is willing to offset implementation costs for up to $5,000 per customer. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.